Hi my friends, how is it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dilan from Real Start. So today I'm ready to give you lesson number 4. I'm going to teach you lesson number 4, fourth lesson. Right, if there's a newcomer to this video, please go to my introduction video and come back to this video again. This is a special message for newcomers, right? Are you ready to learn today? Right, today I'm going to talk about flowers. What? Today I'm going to talk about flowers. Okay, are you ready? Okay, if you're interested, keep watching. Hi my friends, now I'm ready to explain this. Please tell me what's the name of our lesson series? This lesson series name? Let's speak broken English. Now I'm not going to use big words. I'm not going to use big grammar rules. No, never. I'm going to use broken English to explain this, right? Okay, I'm ready to explain this. These are flowers. These are flowers. Various colors. Pink, white, green, and lot purple, right? Pink, very beautiful flowers. Anyway, we can see leaves, flowers, leaves and buds and everything, lots of things, very beautiful. This is not real. This is plastic. This is plastic. Flowers no real, sorry, no real. This is plastic, right? Okay, and that leaves, green color, also plastic, not real flowers. Okay, I want to say you I bought this from I buy this from Piliyandala shop, right? Okay, then you can see but this part not plastic. This is wood, trees, wood, right? Okay, and there's but this is everywhere dust, cobwebs everywhere. You can see there's a sponge, and we can remove flowers like this. See, we can remove flowers, and again we can fix like this. Okay, now fix. Then I think my favorite flower is this. Okay, very beautiful flower. I think this is 200 rupees. I think this is 200 rupees. It is no heavy. This is very soft. Okay, no heavy. I think you can buy this. You can keep your table on fridge near television. This is very good. And you can make it. You can get flowers from Colombo and sponge and wood, and you can make you can, right? No buying, no need of going to shops buying. You can make it at home. You can make it. You can get flowers, sponge, and you can fix and flowers. Very nice. And I think this is good for you. Please buy this. Go shop, buy, or you can make it. Okay, this is good item. This is good item for your home. And personally I like this. I like colors, lots of colors. You can see everywhere flowers. We like flowers. I think you like flowers. So I think we can explain a lot Now flowers okay. Now I like to give this one to my friends. They like flowers, I give this one. My friends, they like, it means they keep this everywhere. Then all people like flowers, especially girls and ladies, they like flowers. We can see, we can happy every time, but this is not real plastic flowers, right? Anyway, I think this is a good thing. This is good for flower. Our home, rooms, kitchen, everywhere we can keep flowers. Very good. I think you buy this. You go to shops, plastic shops and shops, book shops. You buy this, and you can happy. Okay, that's all about flowers. I think you can realize everything what I said. Please try to act like me. Everything you try to tell it again. Okay, use my words, use broken English, and try to say everything what I said. Okay, try to imitate me. Please learn English, please talk English, open your mouth and talk. Sometimes there will be so many mistakes, but don't care about that, right? Don't care. Please try to act like me, please try to speak like me, open your mouth and talk, right? Okay, my friends, now I'm going to finish my today's lesson. If you're interested, like this video, share this video among your friends. If you have any questions, doubts, issues, you can call me. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.